Well, I have a very amazing video today. Do you want to create your resume? That too in just few minutes? Well, I have the complete hack for you using this super amazing AI tool. Now, a lot of students, they ask me, how can we create a resume? And I think resume is a very important aspect, whether it's for a job, whether it's a college interview or anything. And today I have a very interesting hack for you that I'm going to teach you step by step how to create your resume in just 5 minutes using this super crazy tool on AI. And the idea is how you can use AI to expedite your work. So let's just dive straight into it. Okay, so here's this tool. It's called Rezi.ai. So you can simply Google it, or you can actually just type in Rezi.ai and you will be here. This is an amazing tool. I'm going to walk you through. This is super exciting. Now, what you have to do once you're here, just go straight to create free resume on the right. So once you click on create free resume, it will ask you for a sign up. Okay. So if it's the first time you're accessing it, of course you have to sign up. Now I generally use Google. So you can go and quickly do it on Google, or you can create through your own email ID. Okay. So once you log in, it will ask you for this, which document you want to create today. So you can create resume, cover letter, even resignation letter, right? But these two are the pro features. I'm going to get you how you can start with your resume. Now you click on the resume here and we'll give you all the options, like how would you like to do, create a resume from scratch, from sample, from LinkedIn. So it has all the options available. Now let's just start from scratch. Okay, so let's click on this. Now once you click on this, it asks you, do you want to tailor your resume for a job post? Well, I think that's a better thing. So if you are looking for a job, it's a job tailored resume or it's a general purpose resume. Now you can do any one. Let me just try to do it with job tailored resume here. Okay, so let's just click on here. Okay, so this is cool. Now tell us more about your dream job. So what is a job are you looking forward for? So let's say I have already opened up a job description for marketing analyst. Okay, so let's just give us some inputs. Now what role are you targeting? Let's say marketing analyst. So copy it here and then I'm going to post it here. Company that you're targeting. So let's say ABC company. Okay, and you can actually write the company name here. This is amazing. Paste your job description or an application. Let's do this. Okay, here you go. Now I have the whole job description called marketing analyst responsibilities, job brief, responsibilities, requirement for skills, frequently asked questions. So let me just try to copy paste everything up here. So I'm going to copy this, skills. I just don't want frequently asked questions. So I'm going to copy all of this and I'm going to paste it here. Let's see. Great. Awesome. Right? Great. So we have pasted it. Now let's just see. It says continue. Now say one more last step before sending your resume to the moon. Okay. Field or domain. Let's see. Marketing. Oh yeah, we have marketing research. Perfect. So we can do marketing research. Experience. So let's say we are doing an entry level, for example. Okay. And then we're going to continue. So few steps. So I think hardly a couple of minutes. We've been playing around with this particular app. And here you go. So it's just saying open resume to start. Let's do this. Okay, I'm interested. Okay. Now, of course, it will ask you for your basic details, let's say. So I already have my amount. So, okay, let's just see. I have this 9999999. Okay, fair enough. Okay. Now, this is I want to use my professional, which is hello@shirishg.com. And you can add your LinkedIn here, you can add your personal website here. So let me just add it here, shirishg.com. Awesome. So country, India, state, Delhi, and I'm gonna pick Delhi. Okay. Now it says, do I want to show this on resume? Show it on resume. Let's just say we want to do this. Okay. So we just have Delhi, it's here. And let's just say save basic info. Cool. Can you see these tabs here? Now you can see experience and all. Let's just go and fill up all these things. So experience, like what was the role at the company? So this talked about my experience. So let's say if I'm a fresher, okay, and I want to add up certain things which is internship based. Now you can also add up, if you have the work experience, you can actually start typing in the role that you have, and then you can start working on this. So let's say I have worked as a again, if you're a working professional, you can actually input this with your job. So you can actually write down your job title and the company. Okay, how long you've been working with this? So let's say it's a couple of months long internship for me. So I can go on. Now this is cool. What did you do at XYZ company? Okay. Now let's just see. Now I'm making this resume and I'm going to show you this. Now it says generate a bullet pointer here. Okay, so I'm not typing anything on this one. What do I do? And of course, if you have done this internship, you can write down. But let's just see what it suggests. So it says generate bullet. AI writer working, cool. Now I want to generate one more bullet pointer. So it's say AI writer generate or apply suggestion. Let me just apply this suggestion. Perfect. Now I'm going more information on this. Let me just say generate bullet. Awesome. Now the AI is working for me. Cool. Now it says develop SEO strategies leading to increase organic traffic to website by 40%. Right? Now, okay, I still like this. I want to apply it, but I'm just going to make minor changes. So it says is there any customer engagement of 30%? It says organic website by 40%. Okay, so which is fine. Let's just generate one more bullet. Generate new engaging content for advertising and promotion campaigns that resulted in 10% growth in revenue. Okay. Now again, guys, I'm just showing you the power of this tool. You can generate through AI. If you don't really know, it gives you a good wordings with marketing thing and all. So you can add up here, right? One of the things that I really like about it, it's just giving me impact also. Customer engaged to 30%, website by 40%. And a lot of people, they don't write it in a resume. They just feel like I did this. But giving this impact is good. So I really like this tool because it's giving that impact that it has engaged by 30%. Cool. So we have 3 bullet pointers here. Now, again, if you have worked, you know what you need to write. You can write on your own. You don't have to be relying on this. Okay. But I'm just showing you. Perfect. So I'm going to say save to experience list. Cool. Right. So I have marketing intern and this. Do I want to add one more? Let's try one more. So this time I'm going to say social media manager. Okay. So I'm going to talk about social media manager. Which company you worked for? Okay. It says Google. Let's just say Google. Okay. Now, where did you work for it? Now I'm going to say generate bullet. Let's see. Will this pick up the social media manager and it will give me that? Oh yeah, it does. Design social media campaigns to increase brand recognition, resulting in 20% growth in followers and 50% gain in engagement. Okay, fair enough. I'm going to apply this. Okay. I'm going to probably write another bullet pointer for myself. Okay. I'm just showing you how you can write it. So it just says, did SEO work? I can generate one more. I can say complete bullet. It's done. It has given me another one, produce content and copy to drive target audiences to social media. This, okay, perfect. So I like it, right? So I have these 3 here itself. Now it also gives you suggestions here, okay? Now it says weak bullet points. Avoid using weak verbs to say did, work. So see, if you are adding this, it is also giving you that you have created a little weaker bullet pointer. So you can actually change this. Now, if you go to the pro subscription, which I highly recommend if you want to do, and I have the link for you in the description box. If you go for the pro version, it's actually pretty crazy. You can go and create personal pronoun, buzzwords, passive voice, filter words. So it will give you a lot of ideas. So if you're really looking for a job, or if you're looking to create a good resume, I would say sign up for a pro version. It's pretty cheap. It's pretty doable. Link in the description box for you, right? Now, I say I'm going to save this one. And I'm going to just have this. So can you see this? My experiences, I've saved 2 experiences. Let's go to projects here. Okay. Now let's just say I have worked as a volunteer here, right? This is giving me volunteer. So I've done some volunteer work. Now, which one and I'm going to say, when did you volunteer for this? So I'm just going to select random dates for them. Random dates. Now describe what you did. Okay. Let's just generate bullet pointers from AI. Let's see. Okay, fair enough. If it is valid to this, again, you can add on your own details here. I'm just going to apply this. And I'm going to add another bullet pointer. Yeah, so I'm going to save this to project list. Okay. Now let's just say, okay, done. Now just say education. You can come here, you can talk about your education. So I'm going to just say, similarly, I'm going to just add on another list about the masters. So now we have saved all the education. So similarly, you can fill up all the details. So I'm going to do it quickly. Now you're going to do coursework. Now you can similarly fill the involvement. Involvement means basic activity. So let me just fill up randomly, like president, which organization. You can always say, let's say, now you can also write about your skills, all the skills that you possess. So anything that you have, you can always write about that. So it also says about you can write a professional summary here. Okay, so if you want to write it, you can write it. And you have this AI writer, which is this AI summary generator, right? You can generate it targeting, let's say, intern at this, highlight skills, what skills you want to highlight. Let's say we want to highlight about, so you just input these things and the AI will write the summary for you. Here you go. Cool. So I'm going to save this summary. Here you go. Summary save it up. Okay. All right. There you go. So I say finish up. So you can see this. It has given me such wonderful resume here. Can you see it? My name, well formatted and everything. Can you see all this intern, this experiences, my projects, my education, my certification, my coursework, involvement, skills, everything it has given me like this. Now this is what we say. And of course you can explore, you can do a little bit more on this one. So this is the easiest way to create it, and hardly you can actually do it in 5 to 10 minutes. So it is so cool. So again, I showed you this tool to help you expedite the process of resume creating, because a lot of students, they face problem with how do you structure the resume, what should I write? This will help you create top solid resumes, but make sure to build your authenticity, right? I really want you to put up all the things that you have done in your resume. AI will help you to structure it better, organize it better, give it a good shape. See, within minutes, you can create such crazy resume, okay? So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and also share this with your friends. And I'm gonna keep bringing you such amazing videos, and I'm gonna bring more videos on how AI can help you expedite your work and get you all the hassle-free things for your studies, for your professional life, and for your entire life. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.